welcome to Campus World. Day 2 here in Cassis.
Castle.
Vous avez bien compris que vous serez mouillé.
Ouais, mais on aime bien.
On
s'est dit un petit rafraîchissement.
Ah ouais,
C'est gratuit, on est lavé pour ce soir.
Si c'est mouillé, c'est que ça mouille.
Ah ouais.
Si c'est mouillé, c'est que ça
Oui,
mouille.
non, puis là on part aux 5 calanques, là on revient des 3, ça mouille moins aux 3 calanques. Ah ouais.
C'est quoi les 5 calanques? C'est juste
Et voilà, on est parti. Alors, bonjour à tout le monde, bienvenue à bord de notre navire. On retrouve aussi cette
Duck, oh yeah.
I
I don't know if it's a duck. I think that's a
Bien sûr,
something else. It's not a duck though, that's for sure. It's got a long beak.
Avec la pierre de Cassis, on a également fabriqué, alors ça, tous les habitants du village le savent, on a fabriqué le socle de la statue de la liberté. Par contre, ce que du coup les gens ne savent pas avec ici, c'est que c'est pas le socle de la statue de New York, c'est comme pierre de Cassis, c'est celui.
You having fun, Patrick? Yeah, you love it? You see any fish? Not yet, huh?
I did see a black duck earlier.
You sure it was a duck? Okay. I believe you.
Entre 10 et 20 mètres de profondeur, il y a une grotte sous-marine qui est également une grotte préhistorique.
And I saw a bird there in the cliff.
Alors bien sûr,
another
une
bird?
grotte préhistorique n'habitait pas sous l'eau.
Oh, really?
Cette grotte
Oh, what color was it?
était habitée pendant les périodes.
What color was the bird? What color was the bird?
Elle était jusqu'à plus de 100 mètres en dessous du niveau actuel. Avec donc à l'époque,
A pigeon? Oh, okay.
ici à peu près équivalent à ce qu'on connaît aujourd'hui en cycle.
You're not sure if it's a duck or a pigeon? Okay.
Pas la grotte costière. La grotte costière, elle est un petit peu plus loin. Le sida, non, c'est pire. Bravo, le marteau et la faucille, les communistes. Alors ça, c'est Mélenchon. La dernière fois qu'il est venu en vacances avec son yacht.
See a turtle?
C'est un peu
Area
comme la
looks like
boutique.
a turtle.
Oh, yeah, the shape.
Il y
Yeah.
avait beaucoup de communistes à Cassis, tellement toute la France d'ailleurs. C'est juste avant la fin de la
Oh.
Seconde Guerre mondiale. Je vous rassure, hein, aujourd'hui à Cassis, il y a beaucoup moins de communistes. Look at the fishes. Regardez les poissons.
A lot of fish, but
Is where you need to go fishing.
that's right.
paddle, en jet ski, ça passe aussi. Alors, mon frère pense que ça passe en bateau, mais la dernière fois qu'il a essayé, on a dû racheter un bateau neuf.
Oh, the needle, yeah. Makes sense. Where's that bird, Patrick? It took off? I think that's called a heron. That's my guess. My limited knowledge of birds. Look at this, huh? We've got a nice croissant. Gonna try this one out. We like to try croissants across the country as we travel to find an even better one than the best one that we had in Paris. Still hasn't been beaten, I don't think. We had some good ones so far. These look delicious. We got chocolate croissant. And this thing, what's this one called again? This is a
Cannelli.
cannelli. It looks really nice and moist and yummy. But I don't really know what it is, to be honest with you, but I have to have it.
Let me see.
A couple of coffees, Americanos.
We're in a croissant holiday.
That's right.
Go with that.
What's in it? What does it taste like?
I don't know what's in it. Sweet. There's something sweet
What
inside.
flavor is
My
it?
turn, my turn, my turn.
What's the flavor like? Is it coconut?
No, it's not coconut.
Is it rum? I think it's good. How's your
You
chocolate?
tell me. You tell me what it is.
Okay. How'd you take a bite of your croissant? Tell me what that's like.
It's not chocolate.
You love the chocolate ones, right?
Don't taste sweet.
Yeah,
That don't taste sweet. As if that's not sweet.
that's right.
Let's have a cheers or you day two.
Yep. Cheers.
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 It's
That's
my
Invisible.
inflatable water.
all right.
What are you guys looking at over there?
They look delicious. Not adorable.
Look at the baby ducks. She has 7 babies. Wow, 7. Is that 7? 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
Look at this one.
Must be Dada. Watching over.
It's not like you, though.
I love their feathers. Isn't that pretty amazing?
Yeah, that's true. You have a pool. You have a.
Can I have one as a pet, Patrick? Can I take
I
one
want a
home?
pet, not you.
No, it's for me. I know. Actually, I'll take 2. I'll put one in either pocket. There's 2 black ones, right? And then the other ones all have a little yellow one on their neck.
The mommy
Maybe
duck.
the ones with the yellow are males, right? Because it seems like the males have a green head. At some point, the yellow turns to green. Maybe the ones that look black.
All of a sudden, are you an expert in
female.
that?
I could be entirely wrong, right?
Exactly.
The brown ones are actually true. Or maybe that's the male taking care of the babies, right? Oh, look at these 3, Patty.
They're all having their afternoon nap.
Look at how they stick their heads into their feathers.
They're watching though. They're open.
Yeah.
The eyes are open. They're watching.
What are you doing? Looking for shells or rocks? Oh yeah.
Patrick's favorite activity. Whoa. Uh-oh.
Scared them away.
They were together again.
Yep.
Together forever.
Some nice Provençal olives.
And then you drop it.
Look at that beautiful thing, right? A little bit of spice on there, some herbs. Gotta be careful though, see.
And Patrick is busy right away drawing his stories.
What do we have here?
It's they call it filet mignon pork. So it's like pork tenderloin with rosemary sauce. Try.
Looks delightful.
Good. Kind of sweet sauce.
You taste the rosemary in there? And the side dish of roast potatoes, obviously, and some sort of
I don't know exactly what this thing is.
could be polenta.
Gosh.
Good. Look at Patrick. Got a nice piece of salmon there, huh? Some sesame seeds on it.
Or
Roast
put it on the salmon.
potatoes.
Only on the salmon. Only on the salmon.
Take out the seeds, please, of the lemon.
Yeah, nice. Looks great, Pat. No kids menu for you today.
How was the salmon, Patrick?
Good.
Yeah, we haven't tried it yet.
No, he's picking on it already.
Was he?
Look at the back of it. So then it's gone. What are you having?
This is fish with basil Basil cream sauce.
How was that?
Yummy. Look at that nice piece of fish. Delicious.
Look at that presentation.
Mm-hmm.
On the side of our plate.
That looks amazing.
Nice dessert to end the day. Let's see.
Yeah. Okay. Look at that.
Good.
Is it warm? Or is it?
Yeah, the inside.
Okay.
Like a volcano thing, right?
Yeah. Chocolate volcano.
Should give it a try. Or someone else.
Patrick, you want to try it?
Yeah, hey.
Still busy with these drawings.
Hurry up, Mom's going to finish it.
More.
She can't wait. She's, you know her, right? Sweet tooth. Of course. Automatic thumbs up from you. Anything sweet. Just like your mom.